Namaste everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's yoga together. Beginning in Sukhasana, hands resting on the knees, eyes are closed, shoulders are relaxed, breathing through the nostrils. Let us set an intention for this practice. If this is your morning practice, motivate yourself with a positive thought. Or maybe you are wrapping up your day with this yoga practice. Give yourself a calming energy with calming thoughts. Breathe in deep. And let's begin with the first movement of the practice. We are going to rotate the upper body, bringing the movement from the waist. Hands on your knees, rotating the upper body, bringing the movement from the waist. Inhale as you come forward. Exhale as you go back. Breathe and move. Reverse the rotation. Beginning with gentle warm-ups and reminding yourself of the intention as often as you can. Back to the center. Inhale, stretch your right arm up. Exhale, turn to your right. Inhale to the center, relax. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale to your left. Inhale to the center, relax. Now we will sit with our knees bent. The back will remain straight. Hands on your knees. We will lift our foot, one foot at a time. Notice that the back remains straight. Nice. From here, come onto your forearms. Keep your knees and feet together. Lift your feet and start stretching your legs, one leg at a time. Keep looking at a point in front of you and keep your core muscles engaged. The strength to do this stretch is coming from your core, strengthening your core and stretching your legs. All right, now keep your knees bent and pull yourself up into Naukasana boat pose. Your lower legs are parallel to the ground, arms are reaching out, back is straight. We are doing good, yes. Gently coming out of it. Maybe you want to hug yourself here. From here, I'm going to send my right foot across the other side, bringing the right knee down, and I will place my left foot on the outer edge of my right knee, getting ready for Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Inhale, left arm up and turning the body to the left. The right arm is on the outer edge of the left knee. Keep breathing deep. Coming out of it. Now send the hands behind you. Place the left ankle on the right knee and lift your body off the mat. With our legs, we have formed the number 4 shape. Holding strong, looking at a point in front of you. Nice, come out of it. And now switch the legs because we are going to take Ardha Matsyendra Asana to the other side. So the left knee comes down. The right foot is on the outer side of the left knee. Take a deep breath in. Right arm goes up. As you exhale, send it behind you and turn out to your right. Stay strong as you hold the pose. Remind yourself of the intention you set for this practice. Coming out of it. Hands behind you. Making the number 4 shape with the legs and lift yourself off the ground. Strong and steady. Now bring your right foot down and straighten the legs, coming into the reverse plank position. Keep your core muscles engaged, squeeze in your glutes, strengthening your body. Nice. Let's come out of it. Bend your knees and hug yourself. Take a few relaxing breaths here and remind yourself of the intention once again. From here, let's come down onto our mat. So the back is on the mat, the knees are still bent. Let's bring the heels as close to the hips as possible. Your thighs are parallel to each other. Bring your navel in towards your spine to keep your lower back engaged. From here, we are going to tap our ankles with our hands. We can either do this or we can have our hands behind our head and try this variation. While doing this movement, you need to make sure that you are not putting any unnecessary strain on your neck. Keep your core muscles engaged. The strength of doing this movement needs to come from your core, not from the neck. Tap, tap, tap. Tapping into the core strength. Okay, come back onto the mat. And from here, we are going to lift ourselves into bridge pose, Setu Bandhasan. So you can either hold on to your ankles or you can even support your lower back with your hands like this, or maybe you want to interlock your fingers. Whatever feels right. Keep breathing. Holding your bridge. Now hands on the mat, exhale, come down. Inhale up, exhale, not all the way, just halfway down. Inhale up, exhale down. While doing this, keep your glutes engaged, squeezed in. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay, all the way down this time. What are we going to do next? Coming into the bridge pose one more time. And from here, we are going to stretch the legs out, one leg at a time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now let's bend the knee. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And gently coming out of it. Relax. How are you feeling? Keep going. A few more stretches to go. Now we are going to bring the soles of our feet together. So we are in Supta Padhakonasana, and from there we are going to lift our body up. Inhale, rise, exhale, down. So as you come up, your knees might come a little closer. As you go back down on the mat, the knees will stretch out. Nicely done. Pull yourself up, and when you pull yourself up, use the muscles in your core. keep the glutes engaged. Come back down in Supta Padhakonasana and take a few relaxing breaths here, turning your head from left to right to ease up the muscles in your neck and shoulders. And when you feel ready, hold on to your knees and lift yourself up into a seated position. And to ease up your back, we will do Padhakonasana now. The knees are bent, soles are together. As we exhale, we are going to come down as much as the body allows. See if you can rest your forehead on your feet. If that is not available, you can maybe place a cushion and rest your forehead on that cushion. Deep breath in. It's a good stretch for the lower back, for your thighs. As you hold the pose, hold on to that positive thought as well, the thought with which we began our practice. Coming out of it, and we are going to come into a standing position. Wrapping our practice with a standing balance, we will be doing Vrikshasana, tree pose. Bending the right knee and turning it out. Placing the right foot on the inside of left thigh. Hands can be at the hips. Or maybe you want your hands in prayer position. Or maybe the tree today is calling for the branches to be tall, stretched out. Whatever feels right. Breathe into your tree. Let's take the balance to the other side, bending the left knee this time and opening it up. Placing the left foot on the inside of right thigh, or maybe you just want it closer to the floor. Your tree, your choice. Standing tall, enjoying the height, and at the same time feeling deeply rooted and grounded. Coming out of it. And stay here for a few moments in Samasthiti. I hope you enjoyed this practice and that you will join me back soon. Thank you so much for practicing along with me. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.